Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the clutch in your Thermomix TM21. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a clean cloth for any internal cleaning and a replacement clutch, which you can easily find online or at your local appliance store. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. This will give you clear access to the internal components. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top casing off the machine. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the control panel. You don't want to damage these, so handle with care. Now you should see the motor and the clutch assembly. Next, locate the clutch. It is usually situated near the motor and is held in place by a couple of screws. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off any clips that may be securing the clutch. Once these are removed, you can unscrew the clutch from its position. Make sure to note how the old clutch is positioned, as you will need to replicate this with the new one. Before installing the new clutch, take a moment to clean the area around the motor. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help ensure that your Thermomix runs smoothly after the repair. Now take your new clutch and position it exactly as the old one was. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it is tightly fitted to avoid any issues when you power the machine back on. Once the new clutch is installed, carefully replace the top casing of the Thermomix. Reinsert the screws to secure it in place. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can do this from the comfort of your home. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We can assist you with collection and delivery at your home, making the process even easier. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the clutch on your Thermomix TM21. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your appliance in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.